This is Bert, BertnLena. He is the youngest of our colts. He was a late May colt, I think, about the middle of May. Yeah, so he's about 4 months old. The rest of them are 6 and 7 months old. So he's smaller, but he's going to get to their size. He's big bone, got good muscle. He's built good. He's out of Madison, Starbert cat Madison. She came off the Fisher Ranch in Oklahoma. She goes back to the Fisher bloodlines and highbrow cat. And we rode her. She was a really good riding mare. She goes a lot like a reining horse. And I think he'll be a reining prospect out of HickorynLena. So let's get started. Yo-yo exercises. We've been cooking with him about a month.